In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the Dream Easy Kids Air mattress. In the box, you will find the external air pump, the air mattress, the cover, repair patch, and the carry bag. Unfold the mattress on a clean surface floor. Plug the external pump to your nearest outlet and choose the right nozzle to inflate the airbed. Open the valve and insert the external pump. Turn the on button on the external pump and begin inflating. It can take 60 seconds to inflate the whole bed. When the bed is completely inflated, turn the off button on the external pump and close the valve as shown. Unplug the pump from the external outlet and store it in a safe place. Place the cover on top of the airbed and make sure the elastic is under the bed. To make sure the cover stays in place, use the two straps located at the bottom of the cover to secure it. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information on this product, click on the link below.